So once again, kinda bored, and we have this virtual cockpit, but this time it's on Vignale, so I wanna check it out how it looks. So let's see, this is normal, and next up it's gonna be Vignale. So let's see how does this look. It's from Ford Focus to Ford Focus, so it should fit in really nicely. So let's see. So 52,000 on this one. Let's see if it starts. I'm not really sure. So it does start. Starts, runs, and this one, yeah, okay, this one was automatic and this one is not, but that's something that you can fairly easily check out. So let's see what we have here. Drive mode, why not? Drive mode not possible. Very interesting. So change it to English. Let's see. We have this normal mode, eco mode, sport. I do like the sport mode the most, to be honest. It's kinda really nice. Let's see what else we have. From sport back to normal, eco, sport. So that's only 3. Yeah, this one has only 3. So let's keep it in sport. Once again, let's start. So yeah. That's nice. I do like it. Especially in this sport mode. It's kinda nice. So as you can see, we do have this one. Press clutch to start. So we have this another virtual cockpit. It's for sale for sure. And let's see. Yeah, that's about that. After you install this, I mean mechanically install, you need to go with Forescan and fix stuff, but it's basically easy job. And this is the old one, so yeah. Thank you for watching. Oh, why is this battery low always? Thank you for watching. I hope this will help you. If not, yeah, I was kinda bored, so I wanted to see. So see ya, and in next one. So yeah, till next one.